Hi friends, today in this video we are going to learn Arrhenius theory. So acids and bases introduction. Compounds can be divided into acids, bases and salts by Robert Boyle on the basis of their properties. So Robert Boyle divided the compounds into acids, bases and salts. To explain the nature of acids and bases, different theories have been proposed by different scientists. So the important theories are Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory and Lewis theory. So in this video we are going to learn Arrhenius theory. So Arrhenius theory of acids and bases. In 1884, Arrhenius proposed that salts dissolve in water into positive and negative ions. So in 1884, Arrhenius proposed that salt dissolves in water in positive and negative ions. He further extended his theories in 1887 to acids and bases. So acids according to Arrhenius theory, substances which are dissociated in aqueous solution to give hydrogen ions are called acids. So according to the Arrhenius theory, acids is said to be that substances which are dissolved in water and give H plus ions are said to be the acids according to the Arrhenius theory. So examples are hydrochloric acid. So when we mix the hydrochloric acid with water, so the H plus ion is released and Cl minus. So releasing of H plus ion indicates that acids, this substance is said to be the acids. And another example, H2SO4. After dissociated in water, it gives 2H plus SO4 2 minus. So presence of H plus indicates that H2SO4 is an acid. So next, bases. Substance which dissociated in aqueous solution to give hydroxyl ions are called bases. So according to Arrhenius theory, this substance which are dissociated in water to give OH minus ion, hydroxyl ions, then that substance is said to be the bases. So examples, NaOH. When we mix NaOH in water, the reaction is Na plus OH minus or appear. So OH minus is appear, then it is said to be the base. So another example, BaOH2. So the after mixing in water, the reaction is Ba2 plus OH minus. So presence of OH minus is said to be said that BaOH2 is an base. And neutralization. The reaction between acid and base to form salt and water is called neutralization. So here the reaction between acids and base to form salt and water is said to be the neutralization. During neutralization, H plus and OH minus combine to form water. So H plus ion plus OH minus ion gives H2O. So examples, HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. NaCl is salt and H2O is water. So when the acid and base combine together, it gives salt plus water, then it's said to be the neutralization. So here another example, H2SO4 plus 2NaOH gives Na2SO4, which is salt, plus 2H2O, water. And next, strength of acids and bases according to the Arrhenius theory. The strength of acids or bases depends on rate of dissociation and number of ions produced. So strong acids and strong bases dissociated completely and produce more number of H plus and OH minus ions respectively. So strong acids according to the Arrhenius theory, the acids which dissociate completely to give more number of H plus ions are called strong acids. So here according to the Arrhenius theory, the strong acids, it said that when the acid is dissociated completely and give more number of H plus ions, then it is said to be the strong acids. Examples: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, HClO4, etc. So strong bases, the bases which dissociate completely to give more number of OH minus ions are called strong bases. So strong bases is that it is dissociate completely and give more number of OH minus ions. Then it is said to be the strong bases. Examples are NaOH, KOH, BaOH2. Next, weak acids and weak bases. So weak acids and weak bases dissociated partially to produce less number of ions. So let's weak acids according to the Arrhenius theory. The acids which dissociate partially and give less number of ions are called weak acids. So examples are CH3COOH, HCOOH, H2CO3, etc. So weak acids are that which dissociate partially and give less number of H plus ions is said to be the weak acids. And weak bases, the bases which dissociate partially and give less number of OH minus ions are called weak bases. Examples: NH4OH, CaOH2, MgOH2, AlOH3, etc. So weak bases are that which dissociate partially and give less number of OH minus ions. Yeah. So the overview of these Arrhenius theory is that, so according to the Arrhenius theory, acids which produce H plus ions, then it is said to be the acids. Bases which produce OH minus ions, then it is said to be the bases. Neutralization, combination of acid and base give water and salt, then it is said to be the neutralization. Strong acid which dissociate completely and produce more number of H plus ions, then it is said to be the strong acids. Strong bases dissociate completely and give more number of OH minus ions, then it is said to be the strong bases. Weak acid dissociate partially and give less number of H plus ions, then it is said to be the weak acids. Weak bases dissociate partially and give less number of OH minus ions, then it is said to be the weak bases. So this is today's topic. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. Bye bye.